Howdy-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Well, I'm about to go get some chickens, and no, I still haven't done my seed starts yet, but I am taking another chance with these chickens, and it has to do with my the chicken cage carrier transport thingy that I made earlier. So here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well, here's my car, and there's the cage. I said I made it to fit in the back here. Today I've got black plastic, which hopefully doesn't have any holes in it, which actually I'm looking at something where I see there might be one. But just in case there is, I've got an old beat up moving blanket underneath to absorb anything. And also got stuff just in case the chickens kind of did like happened to be pointing the exact wrong direction and had a rather powerful release. Wouldn't get on the back, wouldn't get on the seats. We'll see. I'm going to go picking them up. It's actually like a mile away from here, so hopefully I'll be able to toss them in here, get them over here, and well, before anything really bad happens. We'll see. Well, here we are. I've got 6 cinnamon queens. That's what the guy said they were. Pardon my shadow. And I was gonna show you them, packed in or put in the cage in my car, and so it worked out fine. But I was just kind of in a rush to get them in, kind of excited about getting some chickens again, and I forgot to film it. But it did work out fine. It actually, everything, there was no mess or anything. But I did find out that I way not overbuilt, but made that cage way too big. It's twice as big as it should be. Had a saying from back in astronomy of anything worth doing is worth overdoing, and well, that's a story for another time, but it's not true on that cage. It was a pain actually getting him over here. Anyway, here they are. They're feeding, and I'm giving them some extra feed. I'm assuming that they probably didn't feed them, to try to minimize how much they were going to poop. But because of the shock of moving around and stuff, I've still got some of that grub terra left that I got way back when. And so I'm going to be extra protein, so I'm going to go ahead and give them a couple big handfuls of those too. There. Hopefully that'll give them a boost to keep them laying. And so anyway, there we have it. See, I got a bucket of ash over here to sprinkle around to kind of help keep mites down and stuff. And I didn't scrub that thing spotless, but I cleaned it out pretty good a while back, and I went through and sprayed it with vinegar to get rid of anything that might have been there. And we also had a whole bunch of diatomaceous earth in there already. So I'm ready for mites this time. So anyway, there's my chickens, and well, I guess that's it. God bless y'all. See you next time. Captain's log, supplemental. There's Hazel. Hazel's curious about them. We introduced her to the chickens. I don't think she's going to harm them because she's a sweetie pie. But anyway, there she is. But she's definitely curious. Been hanging around the chicken coop ever since they were here.